Now, another type of transformation is known as a reflection. This is also a rigid transformation. Reflections as well as shifts change the position of the graph, but they do not change the basic shape of the graph. There are two reflections that we want to look at. The first one, a reflection in the x-axis. This is where we're going to flip the graph over the x-axis. So let's plot x squared and minus x squared. Now let's wait a moment while I get all of the data in it. We have to give it an x range, we have to give it a y range, and of course x squared will be red, minus x squared will be blue. So you notice there's good old x squared. We flipped it over the x-axis and we get the minus x squared. Now, the second reflection is in the y-axis. Here's where we're going to flip it over the y-axis and we'll have a mirror image. If you folded the graph on the y-axis, these two graphs would coincide with each other. What are we looking at? X minus 2 squared and minus x minus 2 squared. Notice the only thing we negated was the x. There's our two graphs. There is x minus 2, the quantity squared. There's minus x minus 2 squared. Now, I want to show you how you get the reflection across the y-axis here. Notice we're starting with x plus 3 squared. We change it to minus x plus 3 squared. Remember the goal. Exactness isn't important. I want you to be able to see the graph without having to resort to a calculator.